Hey guys, Jordan Crothers here. We do have a tornado on the ground. We are live on Highways and Hailstones, so make sure you check that out. Let me turn around, give you guys a better view of this. Good morning, guys. We just woke up in our hotel here in Lubbock, Texas. SPC has put out a very large enhanced risk with a 5%, basically from Lubbock all the way down to the Mexican border. So we are going to get loaded up here and get in the truck and go chase some tornadoes. Here on this supercell to our northwest. It's basically rooted in its position right now, not really moving at all. It's only moving about 2 knots at this moment, so we're just kind of sitting here seeing what it's going to do. It has been pulling a lot of scud up into the base of the storm, basically just sucking moisture right out of the atmosphere, turning it into a cloud, trying to form a wall cloud on the bottom of this storm. If that can occur, that's where we're going to see our funnel cloud and potentially our tornado in a little bit. Look at this massive wall cloud right here, dude. Storm's currently moving west, so our out is going to be west and south. Sing. We got tornado. Funnel right there, big cone funnel, dust on the ground. There we go. Yep. Hey guys, Jordan Crothers here. We do have a tornado on the ground. We are live on Highways and Hailstones, so make sure you check that out. Let me turn around, give you guys a better view of this beautiful tornado. Oh, what a beauty. Again, we have this live streaming on Highways and Hailstones, so get the app or go to live.highwaysandhailstones.com. Alright, so we just had a gorgeous tornado touchdown. The storm is still very, very strong. Still a ton of rotation in this thing. It could drop another tornado at any minute. This is looking amazing.
Alright guys, we have visual on the tornado right now. This is current rotation right now. It just went through a town. Our buddy's caught up in search and rescue right now.
I honestly can't tell.
It's the rainfall.
Yeah.
It's the rainfall.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Hey, we gotta go.
Let's go,
Yeah.
let's go.
I'll let you lead again.
Do we want to check this place out? It looks like it took a pretty big hit.
Yeah, let's check it.
Let's get out here.
I'm not gonna drive in though.
Yeah, me either. I don't want a flat tire.
Not again.
You got a heads up for that, eh? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure this will end up being probably 3/4 of a mile wide.
I think down here and over, there's a big property over there. Alright guys, thankfully this house seems to be okay. Going into the trees. I never see the walls.
Let's make sure everybody's okay here. Everyone okay here?
Everyone okay here?
People are all okay.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Are here helping, so thank
Okay,
you.
not
Okay,
a problem.
thank you.
I'm glad you're okay.